gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel.
I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We know where these rivers flow, why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. And maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound, no matter where I go, no matter what I see, still hear the calling of Tennessee. And who even know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got Tennessee on my mind. I miss the smoke on the Cumberland and the fireflies at midnight, and the color of the leaves in the fall. Who are we to know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow? The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got Tennessee on. Yeah, I've still got Tennessee on my mind. Yeah.
Take a train ride just to see you, ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you, 'cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone.
G'day boys and girls. Myself and Willow took a ride up to Peterborough today. So hello Willow.
Ladies and gentlemen, how are we?
We went to the bike museum here. Great collection of bikes, really old bikes, so worth the ride up. Been a great day for it, but as we're retirees, we can afford the time off.
So we did.
We did. Yeah, tick that one off. So catch us later. See ya.
Bye.